It was a beautiful, sunny Saturday. I was in the garden with my friends. Liam was reading his book. Mia and Gracie were talking. And Buddy, our dog, was very happy. He was running and playing. Then I saw a problem. A big problem. Buddy found a puddle of mud. He jumped right in it. Splash! When he came out, he was not a golden dog. He was a brown dog. He was very, very dirty. Gracie saw him. "Oh, Tom," she said, "look at Buddy. He needs a bath." Liam looked up from his book. Mia laughed. Yes, he really needs a bath. Buddy heard the word bath. He did not like that word. He put his ears down and ran to the other side of the garden. He hid behind a big bush. "Okay," I said, "we need a plan." We tried to catch him. Mia ran to the left. Liam went to the right. But Buddy was too fast. He thought it was a fun game. Then I had a great idea, an inventor's idea. "Everyone wait," I said. "I have the perfect thing." I ran to my workshop. I came back with my new invention, the super soap sprayer. It was big and blue, and it had a bottle for soap. "This will make Buddy clean," I said with a big smile. I pointed the sprayer at Buddy. He was still behind the bush. I pushed the big red button. Whoosh! Bubbles went everywhere. A big cloud of white bubbles flew out. The bubbles went on Gracie's nice sweater. They went on Liam's glasses. Mia had bubbles in her hair. The soap went everywhere, but it did not go on Buddy. He just looked at us and wagged his muddy tail. We all looked at each other. We were covered in soap. Then Gracie started to laugh. Then Mia laughed. Soon we were all laughing. "Well, Tom," Gracie said, wiping bubbles from her face, "your invention works, but maybe it works too well." She smiled. "I have a different idea." Gracie picked up Buddy's favorite yellow ball. She showed it to him. "Buddy, look!" Buddy's tail wagged very fast. She threw the ball. The ball landed right in the middle of the small plastic swimming pool we had in the garden. Buddy saw his ball and he forgot all about the bath. He ran and jumped into the pool. Splash! Water went everywhere. Now Buddy was in the water. We all went to the pool. We washed the mud off him. Soon he was a beautiful, clean, golden dog again. And us? We were also very clean from my super soap sprayer. We all sat in the sun. Buddy was happy, and we were all dry and laughing about our very funny bath day.